Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add text to video in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to their official website, which is Wondershare Filmora, and download the actual application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, if you do not want to, it's not necessary at the moment. Now, what you need to do is go and see what we actually have here. So in the top left corner, we have the File, Edit, Tools, View, Export, and Help options, but the Export button is gray at the moment, because we don't have anything to export. Also, we have the Media, Audio, Title, Transition, Effects, Elements, and Split Screen option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add text to video in Filmora. First of all, what we need is go and put a sample video. So find a video that you want to edit, put it here. And when it enters, you can go and put it then here in the timeline. And what you need to do guys now is actually pretty easy. You need to go and click on, out of all of these options, on the titles option. And here, as you can see, we have the subtitle option. Then you just need to go and drag it. And there it is. We have you can see we have the title. You can then go edit it, you can click on it here, as you can see, and type anything that you want. You have the option here to type anything that you want. As you can see, it will be changing here also. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys as this guys helps us a lot in growing our channel. That will be guys, as I said, everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.